Hi you guys, it's your girl Face Colleen. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you're gonna want to come back. So today's video is a vlog that is all over the place because yeah, your girl was all over the place. So let's hop right into it. So we are first gonna start off with the portion of the video where this was supposed to be a separate video of me showing you guys how I do my sew-ins. Um, so yeah, but it ended up being a whole vlog between me doing my hair and going to the comedy show. So here is my hair growth oil I'm applying on my hair. I did braid my hair previously off camera, so if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know in the comments and I will get a video up for you on how I do my braid down. But girl, or guy, if you have not went and purchased this oil, you need to head on over to my website and get it because the oil will be oiling, okay? So here I'm just showing you guys the bundles. I got 3 bundles and I did purchase these at my local beauty supply store as they are being discontinued. So they were on sale for a really good price. I got 3 bundles, two 10-inch, one 12-inch, grade 10A hair, and I literally only paid $26 for them. And the hair was so soft, super thick, easy to curl, easy to straighten. I really enjoyed this hair. So shout out to my friend Janae for letting me know about it. So here I'm just getting the hair prepped. Um and getting my needle and thread, which was already threaded. And I don't do anything too spectacular when it comes to my sew-ins. The first time I always put the needle through the actual width before I attach it to my hair, just to give it that extra security. And then after that, I just go underneath the braid. Some people go through the width the whole time. Um, so whatever your preference is, whatever works best for you. But for me, just going through the weft that first time and then going underneath my braid is what works. And then sometimes I do wrap the thread around the needle. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed this on up and let you guys watch this part. And I'm gonna be quiet now.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, real traditional. But your love's too.
Okay, so really quick, here's just a back view of how I do it. Um, this did not turn out as well as I thought it would. So I'm glad I'm seeing this so I can work on my angle next time so you guys can get a better look. But maybe if we zoom in some, that will work. So I will definitely try that next time for you guys. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm just taking the needle, and here's where I did wrap the thread around the needle to pull it through to give it that extra security. But like I said before, I just take the needle and I go underneath the width and underneath the braid and keep it going.
Original, you were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you.
Okay, so right here I am getting ready to put on my closure, and I am showing you guys I like to cut the sides off. I feel like it gives it a better seamless look. So I just snip both sides a little and get those all cut off. And it doesn't take much. Just you just want to cut off those little snippets that's on the end where the lace is thicker. Um, just in the front where you're going to be laying it down, because you still want to make sure that you have enough um, of that thicker lace when it's time to sew the closure down or glue it down if you're doing a quick weave, whatever your preference is. And so now I am taking my lace glue, and I usually do about 3 layers, um, 3 thin layers. I think in this one I only did two. Um, but I just take it, and then I usually have like a popsicle stick or something, but in this case I did use my hand, and I just kind of smooth that out, and then I'm gonna take the blow dryer and blow dry this until it is clear, and then I'm gonna go over it one more time doing the exact same thing. So I'm going to let you guys watch that, and I'm gonna be quiet.
Just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
Okay, so now that my adhesive is all dry and clear and tacky, I'm going to take my lace and I am going to lay it down and use my comb to press that in to help that get a melt. So I had never done this first until I did my quick weave. I saw some people lay the lace down with their adhesive and band first, and then went and either sewed it down or glued it down. So when I did my quick weave the last time, this is the method that I used, and I fell in love with it because it gave me a much, much better lay with my closure. Because for whatever reason, when I would do my own closures, like I would always end up with some kind of lump somewhere. But doing this method first helped a lot. So now I no longer have any types of lumps and bumps in my closures. So I am continuing to perfect my craft. But nevertheless, so after I let it down, as you can see or saw, I just sprayed it with my holding spray, the I forgot the name of it, but the one in the black jar. Um, and then I just kind of press the lace down with the comb and comb that back to get those flyaways out of the way. And then I am going to blow dry that a little bit. And once I'm done blow drying, I'm going to take my band and tie that down so I can get me a good old melt as I finish sewing in the rest of my hair. And so, yeah, I think that is it for now. So I am going to be quiet and let you guys watch the rest of the video.
What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you're doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want.
Okay, so now I am cutting off my lace, and I take my shears, go down the middle, and then I'm going to take my razor and kind of give it that jagged cut on both sides. I find it's easier to do one side at a time versus trying to do the whole thing. But yeah, so this is really it. I didn't get to get more clips of like the final look. But I just want to say, like, where is the lace at? Like, y'all, I did that. Okay, I did that. I did bleach my knots and washed it, shampooed it with blue shampoo. I found that that works a whole lot better. But before the next clip comes, I just want to let you guys know that, yeah, because I didn't get other clips, we're about to hop straight into the comedy show part of the video. So yeah, but that is my sew in.
Really at the place. All in my spotlight. Oh my bad. Get out of my spotlight. Hold on. Bring me out the place. Shit, I don't do shit. We need to eat some good shit. Oh, hurry motherfucker right now, man. Bring me out the place. Shit. Bring me out the place.
I should have worn my Apple Watch.
I gotta bring an honorary person down. Put your pool down, country ass nigga. Put your pool down, country ass nigga. You nigga, bring your ass out.
Good morning, you guys. So, yeah, this video did not turn out exactly how I wanted it because originally I wanted to have like 2 separate videos. I wanted to have a tutorial on how I did my sewing, and then I was going to vlog like just getting ready and the comedy show and all of that. But that did not happen because I had 1,000,001 things going on. So trying to film without being late or, you know, all of that, I just could not do it. So as you saw, I just pretty much combined the videos. So the next time I do a sew-in, I will definitely make sure that it is a separate video so you guys can have a tutorial on that. I don't know what they're doing. They were trying to slow. Then when I try to pass, they want to speed up. So, but anyway, so right now my hair, it got rained on last night because it was raining, but it was straight. but I'm kind of not so much glad that I got rained on, but glad that I was able to see that even after I straightened it, that it does revert back to the body wave, which is cool. So yeah, this is just literally straight rained on, calmed out, and I had just like I literally just took my bonnet off. I did not do anything to my hair. So yeah, but yeah, so I just wanted to come on and close out this video. I am headed to get the kids. They spent the night at my aunt's. So yeah, the comedy show was really good. It was funny. They had me laughing, so that was a good thing. I really did enjoy myself. The hubby enjoyed himself. It was part of his birthday present, which his birthday was in December. I think I probably mentioned this on another vlog whenever I was like out. I think I was looking for stuff or whatever. I don't know how many vlogs ago that was, but yeah. So yeah, his birthday was December 26th, but of course the comedy show was March 22nd. So we went to the show last night and enjoyed ourselves. We had a great time. The only thing I don't, we forgot to take pictures before the comedy show, like when we first got there and stuff, like after we got dressed and stuff, because we did have matching outfits, but so we ended up taking pictures after, but that was after we had got rained on, so the pictures aren't that great, but they were, you know, real, but I wanted better pictures of us in our outfits, so we're gonna have to put them outfits on again sometime so we can take a picture, some real, you know, some cute couple pictures. But yeah, so I will insert a couple pictures of us, and then like one I did so you can kind of get a better view of my hair. But like right now the lace is like right there just a little bit, but overall, like, what lace? Where is the lace at, baby? Tell me. I think I did that. I did. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And while you're hitting the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.